how to choose who can tag you in their videos on TikTok. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just open TikTok. Then when your TikTok is open, you will just go to profile, open your profile. Then when your profile is open, you will just go here on this three line, click, then go to settings and privacy, open it, and then go to privacy. After privacy, you will go down to mention and tags. Then you will click on tags, and here you can choose who can tag you in their videos on TikTok. And that's it. You can change it and choose it as you like and as you want. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in this channel, and see you next